Hi, PJ. You like the birdie? Huh? Baby? What do you think? You like the birdie? Huh, baby? Do you hear him? I know you love the birdies. I remember Warner Brothers' this frog. So that's what this moment reminds me of. Are you gonna see him? Anyway, are they out there? Is he out there? You see the birdie? What do you think? You like the birdie? Huh, Peach? Can't see your face. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. You like the birdie? Mama loves you so much. Yeah. That one was like a silent one. Yeah. You talking to him? Okay. I love you. I love you, sweetheart. You like the birdies? Huh? You want to talk for the camera? It does remind me of the Warner Brother. That's the frog that would sing and dance. Oh, there you go. But when anyone else was there. Huh, baby? Huh? Okay. I love you, sweetheart.